walk past the driver and passenger area and then out. Straight into living space. And again, this is solid surface material. This is before inlaying that wasn't something that most people did. Yeah, I'll get you. It gives that 95 a little bit, the late 95, but it's probably the easiest thing to fix when you're going to update it. But I don't even know if I would update it because
That's not a good sign for that to happen. Well, our wipers broke again. Our wiper linkage. This couldn't have really happened at a worse place because it's very dark and rainy, and we're in the middle of nowhere. There's not really anywhere to pull off.
Is it cold? I feel like it's getting cold.
Yeah, it's cold. So these wipers have broken before, but we had them welded together. I thought they were better than factory, but I guess not. Man, okay.
Got this, babe.
I don't know what to do. I guess turn that off and look for the nearest civilization.
Coat? Yep, gotta try to fix these windshield wipers. So we're stuck in the middle of nowhere. Cannot see. 2-lane road. It's very, very windy and rainy. Can't see where I'm going. So for some reason the wipers are still on even though they're turned off. The whole linkage appears to be broken. So open the hood and see what we got. Oh, hell no. Ugh. Oh, yeah, this sucks. Okay. Oh, that doesn't go there. That goes up. Oh, came back. I fixed them. Somehow. I think the linkage just flipped over, actually. That would be fucking great. Well, let's try them now. Oh, we might have got lucky.
What?
I think the linkage might have just flipped over. Let's see. It sucks.
And
Nope. Okay. Back out we go. Alright. I just chugged this water. And I'm going to use this water bottle to try and fix my wipers. Ha! Alright. Let's see here. This is the most ghetto rig thing I've ever done in my life. Ever. Well, that didn't work.
alright.
It's unsuccessful.
Unsuccessful. But you know how to fix everything now.
Yeah, I mean, I know how to fix it, I just don't want to right now. It's too cold. It's cold, it's dark. Nobody's helping me.
I said I would go back out.
I know you would.
If you really need me, I would go back out.
It's more the boy than you.
You didn't really make him think of it.
No.
He's never gonna do anything just because he wants to. He's a teenager.
Okay, get dressed and then I'll meet you out here. It's a lot of fun. Yeah, do need Tasha's help on this one. Okay, let's open the hood up here. The last time this thing broke, the wipers were not connected anymore. The weld broke, or the whole linkage broke. But here, maybe it's just something loose that I can adjust or something. I don't know. I need a flashlight. We'll wait for Tasha for this one. Go back in and get warm in the meantime. Yeah, we're not in Florida anymore, as it turns out.
You need to teach your son these things. That's what you should.
Yeah, I just thought, I mean, you offered.
I did offer.
So,
it was kind of a...
Rhetorical?
Yeah.
Rhetorical, yeah. You can see the lazy boy upstairs back there playing video games.
Yeah.
But this is an adventure that you and I...
And he should be...
Listen, I agree with that. I just thought that this is an adventure that you and I could share in together.
Oh, so excited.
Me too. Let's do this. Come on, babe. Let's go fix this thing together.
All right. So
All right.
excited.
Whoa,
Have a
almost
light?
died. Here, you get to hold the camera. And
I was holding a light.
this is,
Is it cold?
It's more windy than cold. It's cold. Yeah.
Wrong pants on.
You got the wrong pants on for this, for sure.
I don't have pants on. I have leggings on. They're not real pants.
All right, here, I can hold the light, I guess. Let's see.
Oh my
All
goodness.
right, there's the linkage. It's not broken, so that's good. Why is it flipping around?
Just figure it out in 2.5 seconds.
Come on, man. This is great.
What is this shit?
All right, go back in. Let's go. Go back in.
But why are we going in?
I don't know. I just couldn't fix it.
We didn't fix it. We didn't fix anything.
Okay, this is where we're sleeping tonight. We're gonna sleep right here. Wow, really? Are you guys gonna go to sleep now? This is what Tasha wore out. Leggings. They're not even like pants. They're just like...
I haven't worn real pants in months.
Jeez.
I don't know what pants are.
Yeah. I don't know what this weather is. I don't know what to do now.
Why?
Because the wipers are broken. Why don't you get down here and help us?
What?
Get down here and help us.
Why?
Because you're a man. You're the second
You're
in charge on this thing and you don't do anything. So come help me. Yeah, come on. What did he say?
Can't right now.
He's so fired. We're seriously gonna buy a van and he is just gonna follow us in his van.
And he's gonna have to fix everything
Yes.
himself.
Absolutely. That's how he's gonna learn. Stay tuned for that episode. Alright, I don't know how to fix this.
What's wrong with it?
It's broke.
Yeah,
I can't see anything that's... There's gotta be a stop or something on these things.
What's
See it.
fixed? Until we start driving. That's what fixed.
There you go. Okay. All right. The whole thing is shifting. God, you would think people would scoot over. Hey, this is a public service announcement. If somebody's pulled over and you have an extra lane next to you, move your ass to the other lane. Don't just buzz by like 5 feet away. That's my pet peeve. Okay. All right. I think I figured it out. I just need some tools and such. Ugh. So I'll do that. Okay. Gotta defrost first. Give me your beanie.
There's another one in the back.
Yoink! Whoa, put that back on. video does that justice. But it's hard to see out of. It's a little mentally taxing driving this thing that far with no wipers. We're in Fredonia, Kansas now.
Fredonia.
Fredonia.
Never been here.
Fredonia, wish your windshield wipers work. Go find a place and park it. Literally. We made it to here. We are 1.5 hours away, so that's pretty good.
What?
She was watching our show.
What?
I said we're 1.5 hours away, so that's not bad.
It's doable.
Just keep driving until we get
No,
there.
we're done.
Why?
Because
Can we cut them? I'm cold.
hey, you need to get some warm PJs on because it's gonna be cold tonight.
Okay, what are we saying? What is that?
It's the only little snafu with the trip. That's okay. We're within an hour and a half of Wichita, like I said, so if I look like crap, it's because I feel like crap. I'm just tired. And like I said, that was mentally exhausting driving on a 2-lane road in the wind with no wipers. That was bad, but the wipers should be an easy fix. Hopefully I can do that in the morning. Hopefully it's not raining at all. I will say the wind worked in our favor because the wind was going, you know, is out of the north, and so we're headed west, which meant that when the trucks passed us, the spray was blowing the other direction and not into our windshield, so that helped a ton. So the wind actually worked out in our favor, but definitely didn't make it fun to get out and try to work on the wipers. So tomorrow we'll continue our journey and get to Wichita. Let's see what Tasha's watching.
What? What?
What are you watching?
Love is Blind. Because
Love
I'm a
is
hopeless romantic.
Oh, so sweet.
Because I'm, yeah.
Because you're what?
Uh-huh.
What?
Love
Deprived
is
of
blind.
romance?
A little bit.
Oh. What's this for romance?
It's cute.
Oh, bless her heart. Okay. Good night, guys. All right, let's do my morning walk around. So every day I go around, check tires, check the toad, make sure the truck is all good, hasn't gotten broken into, there's no flat tires back here, because sometimes we just tow this thing along and forget about it. All right, everything's still in there. All 4 tires are up. I did leave the gas cap off last night, so that surely scratched up the whole side of the RV. It did. It's always something. Ah, dang it. That stinks. See, this is why we do a walk around. Let's see. So, yeah, it's cold out, windy. That's uncool. Decidedly uncool.
Decidedly.
Yeah. Did you sleep good last night?
I did. Minus the cows.
The cows. There was a livestock trailer at 2:10 a.m. that rolled through that had the loudest, most vocal, opinionated cows ever.
They were really loud.
Feeling refreshed and such after a good night's sleep here at Pete's truck stop. Pete's. So let's get this last leg of the trip out of the way. I gotta get fuel. Ironically, I just put the fuel cap back on. I left the fuel cap off since last time we got gas, and I scratched up the whole side of the RV with it.
Oh, that's a bummer.
It is a bummer.
Why'd you do that?
Because I'm stupid. Behold. It is the majestic skyline of Wichita.
What? You can't see it? Oh.
It's behind that sign.
Yeah.
There you go.
Don't blink, don't miss it.
Hey, Wichita's beautiful.
Right there. There's something beautiful about Wichita.
Yes, there is.
No.
Wichita is amazing.
It is. You are the worst. This is your hometown.
No, it's not.
You were born here.
I'm
Right over there in that
I'm
house.
not from here.
Still love Wichita. It's still my favorite.
Why don't you just live here then?
I'm going to right now. I'm parking my house here. We're stuck.
I know.
That didn't take long. Put up early, then we're good. So we'll put it in second gear. Take a drink of Monster. Here we go. Tree. Plowed right through. Plowed right through. Still moving, still moving, still moving. Speeds up. Oh, we're sinking a little bit, sinking a little bit, sinking a little bit. Don't like this at all. Nope. Spinning, spinning, still spinning. I'm gonna floor it. It's very green right here. Just flooring it. Oh gosh. Oh, we're sinking. Oh, we're sinking. Go, 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 baby, go. That's a spinning. That's a sinking. All right, we got one turn left. Trying to keep speed up. Trying to keep speed up. Not run over the faucet. Woo! That was stressful. Excellent. That was not fun. Not at all. But we made it.